We live in a world awash in data. Every click, every purchase, every sensor reading contributes to an ever-growing ocean of information. This data holds within its secrets, patterns, and insights waiting to be discovered. And it's machine learning, a revolutionary field of computer science that gives us the power to unlock these secrets and harness the true potential of this data universe. Imagine a telescope not for observing distant stars, but for peering into the vast expanse of data. Machine learning is that telescope, allowing us to see patterns and make predictions that would otherwise remain hidden from view. It's a tool that empowers us to understand the world around us in ways we never thought possible. From predicting the weather with increasing accuracy to personalizing our online experiences, machine learning is already transforming our lives in profound ways. It's the driving force behind self-driving cars, facial recognition software, and even the algorithms that recommend your next favorite song. As we delve deeper into the cosmos of data, machine learning serves as our guide, illuminating the path toward a future brimming with possibilities. Join me as we embark on a journey to unravel the mysteries and explore the transformative power of machine learning. At its core, machine learning is about teaching computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed for every scenario. Just like we learn from experience, machine learning algorithms identify patterns, make predictions, and improve their performance over time as they are exposed to more data. Think of it like this. Imagine teaching a child to recognize a cat. You wouldn't show them a million lines of code defining a cat's features. Instead, you'd show them pictures of cats over and over again until they learn to recognize the distinct characteristics that define a feline. Machine learning works in a similar way. We feed algorithms massive amounts of data, and they learn to identify patterns and relationships within that data. The more data they process, the better they become at making accurate predictions and decisions. This ability to learn from data is what makes machine learning so powerful. It allows computers to adapt to new information and solve problems that were previously considered too complex or nuanced for traditional programming methods. To understand the magic of machine learning, we need to break down its fundamental components: data, models, and algorithms. These three elements work together like the celestial bodies in a solar system, each playing a crucial role in the learning process. Data is the lifeblood of machine learning. It's the raw material, the cosmic dust from which insights are derived. This data can take many forms, from images and text to sensor readings and financial transactions. The quality and quantity of data are crucial for training effective machine learning models. Models are the heart of the system, the metaphorical representation of what the machine has learned from the data. They are like mathematical equations that capture the relationships and patterns hidden within the data. Think of them as the blueprints that guide the machine's predictions. Algorithms are the engines that power machine learning. They are the set of instructions that tell the machine how to process the data and build the models. Different algorithms are suited for different types of problems, just like different telescopes are designed for observing different celestial objects. Let's take the example of predicting house prices. The data could include information about the house's size, location, number of bedrooms, and recent sale prices of similar houses. The model would be a mathematical representation of how these factors relate to the house price, and the algorithm would be the method used to find the best model that fits the data. Machine learning is not just a futuristic concept, it's already woven into the fabric of our daily lives. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, we interact with machine learning systems in countless ways. Consider self-driving cars, one of the most fascinating applications of machine learning. These vehicles use a combination of sensors, cameras, and machine learning algorithms to navigate complex environments, making decisions in real time based on the data they collect. The algorithms learn from millions of miles of driving data, constantly improving their ability to perceive their surroundings, predict potential hazards, and make safe driving decisions. Another area where machine learning is having a profound impact is in personalized recommendations. Whether you're shopping online, streaming music, or browsing social media, machine learning algorithms are working behind the scenes to tailor your experience to your unique tastes and preferences. By analyzing your past behavior, these algorithms can predict what you're most likely to enjoy, making your online interactions more engaging and relevant. But the applications of machine learning extend far beyond these examples. In healthcare, it's being used to diagnose diseases with greater accuracy, develop personalized treatment plans, and even accelerate drug discovery. In finance, it's helping to detect fraud, assess risk, and automate trading decisions. The possibilities are as vast and varied as the universe itself.